Hey guys, welcome to another week's vlog. I look like poop because today was like my last day, several in a row, and I'm off tomorrow, and I was just like, I'm done. I'm over it. So I washed my hair this morning and just let it air dry in the car. So I am making some sweet tea in that little pot right there. And Zach went to the store to get me some wine because it's definitely been one of those days where you just need some wine. My hair looks crazy. I'm liking my brows today though. And this is the, gosh, I just said it the other day, the L'Oreal Brow Definer Stylist. Brow Stylist Definer, one or the other. Actually, I think it's a really good pencil. So last night we went to Walmart looking for a shower head. We finally got another one that we like. We got like this crazy shower head I'll have to show you because it's gigantic. But in Walmart I saw these are the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Liquid Eyeshadow. These are from the Gothic Graphic collection, which I thought was pretty much like gone. But I saw these and I was like, oh my god. I didn't really want to spend any money. Like, I had no intentions of spending any money, but I was like, shoot, I really want them. So I was gonna show you guys. Look how pretty, look how pretty. This one's called Goth Tears. I didn't show you the first one in the packaging, but there it is. Okay, so it was called Gothographic, and I thought it just should have been hologothic. I don't know, I said that one time not thinking, and I was like, yeah, I'm totally right, because Gothographic, I don't know, to me it just sounds weird, but hologothic, maybe it's just as bad. I do like the skulls. I keep looking for the like loose highlighter from this because everybody said it was so pretty, but I haven't seen it anywhere. I'd like to get my hands on it if I saw it. So there's the last one. They're really pretty. Look how reflective they are. They were like $4.68 a piece, some like a random number, but I thought they were pretty and I didn't want to pass them up, so I didn't. I also got some hair stuff in the mail. So this is the brand, it's called Amino Mason, and I'm gonna do a little video including this and like a get ready with me, but I thought they were just gonna send me the shampoo and conditioner. Let me show you because it's freaking cute. They're like mason jars. So that's what it looks like. Ah! And I'm like, for me down in the South, especially in Alabama, like mason jars are what a bunch of people just drink out of. Like, not only do you can your vegetables, you drink out of them, use them to store like screws, nuts, bolts. I mean, God, mason jars are very versatile. Hey, what are you doing? Come here. You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? Say hey. You're pitiful. So they sent me that. They also sent me this hair oil. It's avocado, almond, and coconut. Also in the little mason jar. I got this amino acid hair water with lemon, raspberry, rose, and honey. Look at that. And I'm trying to figure out, like, it says spritz on dry hair to hydrate, nourish, defrizz, and make styling easier. They also sent me the night cream. It's avocado and cherimoya. What is that? And honey. And then also the oil cream mask pack. So it's like a hair mask. Lemon, raspberry, rose, and honey again. And it smells so good. Do you want to smell it? Here, smell it. No leaky. So they actually sent me like a whole hair care routine, 6 pieces. So I can't wait. I'm gonna do the video probably tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna like try a lot of different things, but this time actually include like start to finish hair care. I might try some new skincare, who knows? I hear Zach at the door, so I'll talk to you later. Well guys, it's Wednesday night and I filmed 2 videos. And this is the aftermath Oh my god, I need help. What do I do? But Bean's here. You gonna help me? Bean? You gonna help me? No? Sally, you helping? Okay. I just filmed a TJ Maxx haul, which should be going up tonight if I can get my butt in gear and edit it. But it's a long one. Hey guys, I am home from work. It's Friday afternoon or Friday evening. It's like 5 something, almost 6 o'clock. And I came home a little bit early today, which I'm excited about. I'm wearing a shirt that I put in my TJ Maxx haul. So if you haven't seen that, I'll definitely have it linked below. And I'm cuddled up with my Fry blanket. It is the cutest thing. And I'm in the process of editing a video and watching some Office. I also have some laundry going, so I'm trying to get a few things done. I'm gonna see when Zach gets home if he wants to go to TJ Maxx. I know I literally just said in that video that I filmed a few days ago that I was gonna stay away. I can't do that. But that's what I'm doing for tonight. If we go to TJ Maxx, I will definitely vlog. We might pick up a couple things at Target and maybe get something to eat. I don't know if he would want to go in somewhere and eat or just get something to go like we normally do. We're like such homebodies. We come home and watch a movie or watch some Office. I've been obsessed with watching The Office again. We went through the entire series, like we finished it a few weeks ago and I started it over again. Like it's a sick obsession, but it's such like a happy show to watch. So I don't know, I like watching it. So I'm gonna be editing this video. If we go into town and do some things, I will take you guys with me. Hey guys, we're at TJ Maxx. Look, you can see it. It's a store.
Heist time? His time. Is that a religious place? Like,
no, I don't know.
Maybe it's like his time to shine.
His thank you. I don't know. So we're gonna
a spice.
Anyway, time THYME is a spice.
So I got an iced cinnamon almond milk macchiato and it's delicious.
Well, with those glasses you can see the future.
Take a sip. I will warn you though, there's a lot of caramel in there. It's so good. That's my treat of the day.
Oh, Bill. Hurt your teeth.
There's some good stuff there.
I don't know if I can hit this.
That's what she said.
So we're gonna go in TJ Maxx and I swear I'm gonna vlog something, even if it's just a little bit. So let's go. I really want this wheat. Should I get it?
Think about it. You could have your own bundle of faux wheat for just $9.99.
I think that's real wheat. This is freaking gigantic.
Yes, it is gigantic.
Look at that one.
Look at which one?
That big one.
Yep.
Hey guys, we are in my hometown and we're gonna go to Walgreens and see if they have the Wet n Wild Gold Bar highlights because I just saw that they're in stores now. Also, look at my shirt. It's the most amazing thing ever.
It's alright.
And this is our little downtown area. So we got these little blind bags with Power Rangers in them. We're at Walgreens, by the way, in the background. And we opened up 5. I've got some more to show you guys, but that's what we got so far. So we're looking for the yellow Power Ranger, the black Power Ranger. I'll show you. There's like all the villains. I'm sure this light is hideous. I also got a Beanie Boo because you guys know I'm crazy about these. This was only $2. Her name's Darla. She's a pink dragon. Here's what they look like. They're called Pint Size Heroes. They're from Funko Pop. Or like from Funko. They're Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, and there's like all these options, but basically you can get all the Power Rangers, some of the villains. Open it up. You see? So it's the little guy who's the green Power Ranger. We also found these super cute keychains. So this one is, they're called Pocket Pop keychains. So I guess maybe they're from Funko too. This is Chucky from the Rugrats. Look at him, so cute. I was looking for the Wet n Wild bar highlighters that they just re-released, and then this one we also got from Game of Thrones is Jon Snow. It's his little keychain. Oh my gosh. So I don't know which one of these I'm gonna use. I don't know, I like them both. There's another, oh, we got a duplicate pink Power Ranger. If we were gonna get a dupe, this was probably my favorite one to get. What's this? Oh, look what we got. We got Rita Repulsa. She's so angry. We also got the unrated Blu-ray of Forgetting Sarah Marshall. I love this movie and it was only $2. Got 2 more. These were only 99 cents, by the way. No, I don't remember her name. Or is this Rita Repulsa? I'm pretty sure this is a different person. Yay! We got the yellow Power Ranger. She was obviously my second favorite because, you know, girl power. Do you want to open these while I open these? Alright, I got 4 more Power Rangers. I opened the other ones with them. So we got our yellow. We got the green guy in real life. So we need the black Power Ranger.
Yeah.
But we got another green one. So we're looking for the black Power Ranger. I really don't care. I would also like to get Goldar, and I can't remember his name with the little thing on his eye. Oh, so we got another blue one, but we did get this little guy. I can't remember his name either, but he's got like his little eye thing over. One more. What the hell? We got the white Power Ranger. Is he the gold one?
It's the White Ranger. He's white and gold though.
Oh, okay. So we got the white and gold. I don't know, but that's the one we wanted. So we got all the Power Rangers and then maybe like 2 others that I care about. So we're gonna be going home now, and when we get home, I'll show you a couple things that I got the other day. So I'll talk to you later. Hey guys, it's now Monday and it is time for me to get this footage up and uploaded. I look a hot mess today. It was one of those days where I was just not feeling it. Like I put something on, but I will say this highlight is from the BH Cosmetics Desert Oasis. Ooh, that palette just has a lot of pretty things in it. But I wanted to show you guys some things that I got at Target the other night, and please do not judge me for these choices. There we go. Okay, that's better. So I got a bunch of things at Target the other night, and they're kind of silly, but I was overwhelmed because I saw all of this Yummy World stuff and I was like, oh my god, Target has Yummy World. Guys, I went overboard and I got some cute things. Look how cute. It's an ice cream sandwich. He's like the vanilla one, and his little face, he's like mischievous and cute, and they're so soft and cuddly, and I am just like, I was in heaven and I wanted everything. There was 2 donuts. I didn't get those. They were different like colors. And there was something else. I didn't get the strawberry, but like I cleared out several of them. And they had the big taco that I really wanted, but I didn't get that because it was like 30 bucks and I couldn't do it, but bad. I was really bad. So that's my ice cream sandwich. I also got this, which I think is one of the cutest things ever. It's a burrito and it totally looks like he's from Chipotle. He's even got like a little seam where his tortilla's been wrapped. He's got cheese and lettuce hair, meat and sour cream, and how freaking cute is that? Oh! And it says, what does it say? Extra hot. Oh my gosh. And I had to get the hamburger. I feel like that's just like a staple. You have to have this guy. Look how cute. Got like a little hard bottom. He's got sesame seeds. He's got some ketchup and some cheese and some lettuce. Or maybe that's tomato. But oh my gosh, so cute. I did get the smaller taco. So this is Flaco Taco. And you can actually pull his little wrapper off and you can see him like peeking through there. But his little wrapper is just held on with like the little tag, you know, clear plastic thingies. Oh my god, he's so cute. And then of course, to go with the hamburger, I also got the hot dog. How adorable. Oh, so cute. I also got, completely randomly, I got a Galaxy Bomb from Da Bomb. I got these Skippy peanut butter bites, which are super delicious. And I got one more Yummy World. Look, he's a pretzel. Look at his little face. He's got a little smile. And he's mischievous and cute. Ooh, but I got a pretzel. I am like, seriously, like a child. I love these so much. I know it's ridiculous. Oh, I got some earrings too. Like one thing that's not for a 12-year-old. I got these earrings. These are from the Sugar Fix by Bauble Bar. These were on clearance for $7.48 and it's 3 pairs of different earrings. They had a bunch of different earrings. What I really wanted was some micro hoops with like a little dangle on them. I didn't really see any that I quite liked. There was some, but they weren't quite what I was looking for. I also got my NSYNC shirt from Target, so I showed you guys that yesterday. And then at the last minute, I was like, oh no, I didn't get any of the blind bags. So Zach picked these up. They are the Sweet and Savory Yummy World Collectible Keychain series. So there are 16 friends to collect. So this is the front. This one's kind of flat feeling. So I'm feeling like I got Wally the Waffler or the Sour Strip or something like that. But that's the front. And you've got a bunch of different options. Pizza, Sour Strip, licorice. That looks like a Pop-Tart. Mike Moz Stick, Ning Noodle, Louis, there's a sundae. Kind of hope I get the waffle one in here. There's a grilled cheese, there's a crispy crisp, Henry hot sauce, Benny banana split. So cute. You guys can definitely pause that if you want to take a closer look at what all of them are. I got Lily Licorice, I think. Definitely wasn't one of my like top choices, but it's still really cute. The other one's definitely thicker, so this is definitely going to be a different one. I feel like this one's going to be pretty big, so maybe like the noodle or banana split. I would love to get Ning Noodle. That would be really cute. The sundae's cute. I like the banana split. The pizza's cute too. Cardboard. Oh, I think it's the sundae. The little sundae cup is clear. So cute. So the licorice stick was 2 out of 24. The sundae was also 2 out of 24. Apparently the pizza is 3 out of 24 and the sour strip is as well. Oh wow, the Rio rolled cake, which looks like a Pop-Tart, is 1 out of 48. That's like the rare one. And everything else is pretty. And the Henry the hot sauce is also 1 out of 48. My 2 little ones are so cute. So that's everything that I got from Target. Besides, like, we got a couple of necessities. We got like paper towels and stuff. So I wanted to do that and wrap up this vlog, show you a couple cute things that I probably won't put in a dedicated video. But I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. I don't know how this one's gonna look like. I don't know. I feel like I've been working crazy, like, I don't know, long stretches of days. I've been really tired. So if I seem a little like out of it at some point, I'm probably just literally out of it. Going to my parents yesterday was nice, but it's definitely not like a restful day. It's more of a day of like, oh my God, you're in the car so much. And then, you know, trying to do stuff while we're there. And I don't know, we just played cards, we grilled some steaks. It was a good time. It's a lot of driving. It takes about 3 hours total, like round trip, 3 hours. That's a big chunk of the day. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I will be getting this up tonight, and then I'll be starting a new one either tonight or in the morning. I'm probably gonna take a nice bubble bath tonight and just relax, and I have tomorrow off, so I'll definitely vlog something then. And again, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.